Vicky here, and today I'm going to tackle one of those nasty dirty jobs nobody wants to do. A stinky chicken coop. That's bad, y'all. I don't even want to show you. It's that bad. Yeah. I'm going to scrape this all out and put some new bedding in. I'll be back. This is where I have been, well, Jerry has been dumping all the chicken poop for me. I'm going to spread it out over the cardboard a little better. And then let Mother Nature have her way with it all winter. And then this is going to be our little corn plot field. Well, one of them. Or some in-ground plot field that will have a... I think corn would be the best idea because corn loves nitrogen. Look at all that nitrogen. Yeah, I think that'll work. Well, ladies' coop is clean. It's sawdust. It's all nice and clean now. All ready for chicken. Well, some have already been in here scratching around, playing around. Like, ooh, what is this? Hi, ladies. Little Miss Nosy here. That's all I got for today. Ooh, I'm tuckered out. Never be afraid to live your dreams. Because, hey, they can happen. Have an amazing day. Blessings to you and yours. Bye now.